though. Very, very funny girl. Okay, do you want to say hello to Nanny Penny?
Yes.
Say hello, Nanny Penny.
Hello, Nanny Penny.
I'll send this one to Nanny Penny, shall I? Do you remember Nanny Penny? And Abe? Uncle Abe? Say hello, Uncle Abe as well then.
Hello, Clay.
And what are you doing for the first time?
What did the first time?
You what?
What did the first time?
You're swimming on your own for the first time.
I feel like the first time.
Speak properly, speak properly.
I'm swimming for the first time.
Ah. Do you miss Nanny Penny?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I have to get there again.
I know, we will do, don't worry. One
We're
day.
the yard now.
Sorry?
We're the yard now.
That's right.
Go.